Hey guys, so today I will be making these healthy buffalo cauliflower. They actually do look like breaded buffalo chicken wings, don't they? But this is my second go-to recipe. I have an Asian style roasted cauliflower recipe on my channel. I'll probably link it or you can look for it. That one is my favorite cauliflower recipe. But sometimes when I get sick of eating that so much, I make this. And this will satisfy my needs. So if you want to see how I make these, keep watching. I like to use a Ziploc bag just so it's easier, faster, no cleanup. So we're doing about 1 cup of almond meal or almond flour, whatever you have on hand. I just have ground almonds, so same, We are gonna do some salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. We'll do maybe like a teaspoon black pepper powder. I love garlic, so just make your own concoction. And then some paprika. See, that doesn't look like a lot, right? Because I have about 5 cups of cauliflower, so I think I'm gonna make a little bit more. So you can always double up. I'm gonna double up, but I'll do it off camera. So now that we have everything ready, all you want to do is just dip it in doing it, and then whoop, throw it in, and you repeat the process with all of this. You can wear gloves, you can wear tongs, you can use tongs, whatever you'd like. So easy. Ooh, that doesn't look too good. After all of them are done, you just want to zip it up and just shake it and coat all the cauliflower with the rub. Half a cup of Frank's Red Hot, or however much you want. If it's too spicy for you, you can do less. 1, 2. Once the 20 minutes is up, you take the cauliflower out, and we're just gonna pour the sauce all over the cauliflower. Oh crap, don't do it like me. Try to get them evenly. And now for the taste test. Really good. Perfect spice. I love how cauliflower can they're soft on the inside, but al dente and crunchy, and the texture, I used to hate the texture, but now it's so good. It's dense, super dense, but also very soft but crunchy, if that makes sense. Sorry. So I really enjoyed these. I actually suggest, if you want to heat it up, I don't put it in the microwave. I always put it in my trusty old air fryer. I put it on for 400 for about 5 minutes, and it just roasts them right up. So good, so crunchy. So good.